Hi, I'm Vinod Naik. Today we're making
Lobster and salsa, a chef don style salsa. So let's begin. So in the pot, put enough water. So I'm gonna put lobster inside. It's a medium sized lobster. Make sure you remove this rubbers. This lobster is been washed 3 to 4 times nicely, so that all the fishy smell is gone. So make sure you wash this lobster very well before you cook them, because we're going to use that stock for the soup. So take whole garlic, cut it into half in the pot. Ginger, about half an inch, roughly cut in the pot. Tomato, just give a rough cut inside the pot. Onion as well, peel, roughly cut in the pot. Basically, we need a flavor. Green chilli, take as much you want, depend how much spice you want. So basically, we are cooking lobster. Coriander stem and some coriander. Salt, I'm using sea salt, little bit more water, and cook for 20 minutes. So let's prepare for salsa now. I'm taking mango. It's a green mango. Chopped mangoes. So garlic, I'm gonna pound it. I like pounding. This is scotch bonnet. So these scotch bonnets are very spicy. So if you don't like too much spice, make sure you remove the seed. Taking 2 tomatoes, I'm gonna blanch them. About 5 seconds. Tomato is ready. Skin off. Ginger. Skin off. Slice. Put some ginger slice. Some coriander stem. All these kind of stuffs will bring you nice flavor, and you're gonna love it. So pound it nicely. Add tomato now, blanch tomato. And pound again. Squash it. So here is our salsa is ready. Add chopped mangoes, some olive oil, lemon juice or lime juice, anything is okay. Some paprika, that will change slight color and it looks nice as well. The smell is so nice and powerful, it's so great and tasty. You can feel it. Some salt, some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Our lobster is cooked now. It's 20 minutes. The lobster is cooked. And that stock, I'm going to make a soup out of that stock. So the stock is not going to waste. In the next video, we'll show you how to make lobster soup. So this is the way you cut in the middle. Nah, it's not ready, so we'll cut more. Yeah, open it. Try to open slowly, otherwise the shell gonna break. We don't want to break the shell. For presentation, we need that shelf to be as it is. Yeah, that's the way you open it. Slowly remove the flesh. Cut it into pieces. Back into the lobster. There you go. Our lobster with mango salsa is ready. Mostly we use this as a starter. Let's taste. Taste amazing, gentlemen and ladies.
I'll see you in the next video. Bye.